Hey, to activate Google Assistant on the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, first of all, you will have to open Google Play Store. Now you will have to click on the search, click here and input Google Assistant phrase, and we have to just install this application. When you do this, you have to click on the open button, and now you will be redirected and you can decide if you want to use the Gemini or switch to the Google Assistant. So click to switch in settings and now switch into the Google Assistant. Then click switch and now we can open it. Now we have to wait for a downloading process. Here we can find the bar that actually shows us the whole progress. And there we go, it's finished. So let's try to open it right now. And as you can see, the Google Assistant is working instead of the Gemini. So that's how we can actually switch between the Gemini AI from Google into the Google Assistant on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. That's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.